This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. 11 of the 391 students of Assam who arrived from Kota in Rajasthan at the Sarusajai Sports Complex at Guwahati in the wee hours today have tested positive for COVID-19. All the students have been put into quarantine with separate arrangements for boys and girls. At around 3 a.m., Senior Ministers Himanta Biswa Sarma and Piyush Hazarika received them. Mr. Sarma addressed the students and urged them to follow all safety protocols while in quarantine. He assured them of all assistance from the authorities. In Assam, 300 industries are now maintaining guidelines of the centre. Talking to AIR Transport and Industry Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari said that all these companies have undertaken to the Deputy Commissioners to adhere to the centre's guidelines. The Transport Department made elaborate arrangements of trucks to unload food grains which have been delivered across the northeast. Mr. Patwari said that over 31,000 labourers were engaged by the Transport Department in loading and unloading of food items. A committee constituted by the Manipur government has decided to formulate a mechanism to bring back people from the state stranded in other parts of the country due to the lockdown. The State Consultative Committee for COVID-19, headed by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, will formulate a mechanism to ensure their return to their homes. A statement issued by Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare V. Wumlunmang said the 21-member committee was constituted on the 23rd of this month. A total of 30,000 people from Manipur are stranded in other parts of the country, of which 22,018 have been given financial aid of 2,000 rupees each. The committee also stressed on opening more quarantine centres for isolating the returning persons. The committee asked the police department to step up vigil along the Indo-Myanmar border and set up pickets in the border villages to prevent cross-border movement of people. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said the state government is trying to ramp up its testing facilities to increase its capacity for testing of samples for COVID-19. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that the centre has approved the setting up of the testing centre at Tura. The testing centre at Tura Civil Hospital will be functional by the end of this month. Informing that the state will receive a fresh stock of rapid test kits, Mr. Tinsong said that the government will wait for the directive of the centre before using the rapid test kits. Leader of opposition in Meghalaya and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma had also urged the state government to ramp up testing facilities in the state. The Meghalaya government has directed the Deputy Commissioners of various districts to form village health teams in every locality and village to prevent the outbreak of COVID-19. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the village health team will follow up if there is any suspected case of COVID-19 to ensure that there is no outbreak of pandemic at the village or locality level. The team would comprise of the headman, Asha, Anganwadi worker, ANM and one teacher from the locality. The East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner has constituted 48 teams in the entire district for monitoring 5,875 people who are under home quarantine. These teams will call to inquire and monitor them on 24/7 basis. The Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District has informed that all fair price shops and SK oil retailers identified groceries, vegetable, fruit, meat vendors, confectionery and essential items shop in all localities of Shillong agglomeration will remain open from 27th to 30th of April 2020 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Notified courier services and e-commerce operation in essential goods, identified wholesale traders, local retailers and rural hardware retailers will open. Notified common service center and services provided by self-employed persons besides shops for repair of trucks on highways will also open in areas under East Khasi Hills district. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.